Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download ASUS ExpertBook CX54 driver. So open any browsers, search to Google search box and go to official website asus.com. Okay. Then click to down arrow, click on down arrow and click to support. Scroll down and you can check warranty and also you click to type serial number and all. So for driver, this is select operating system. So guys, if it is operating system, it is not showing here, so just click on one click driver download and install. Okay, it will click I agree and click to start, and it will automatically scan your system and detect require driver for your system. Then it will be automatically installed. Okay, thank you. Just click to start, then scanning start.